Hi, I'm Annie, your dedicated guide from NearHub. I'm here to walk you through everything you need to know about using your NearHub smartboard. Today, let's see how to use AirPlay to cast your screen onto the NearHub smartboard. Before you start, make sure your NearHub smartboard and your device are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your Mac, open the menu bar and click Screen Mirroring. Select NearHub Smartboard. A 4-digit code will appear on the board. Simply enter the code, and you're connected. Now your presentation is instantly mirrored to the smartboard. You can interact and annotate directly on the smartboard with the pen. On your iPhone, swipe down to open Control Center. Tap Screen Mirroring, then choose NearHub Smartboard. Enter the 4-digit code, and your iPhone screen instantly appears on the smartboard. On your iPad, follow the same steps. Select the board from Screen Mirroring, enter the code, and share your lesson notes or apps in real time. Your content is ready for collaboration. That's how easy it is to cast your Mac, iPhone, or iPad with AirPlay. Simple, fast, and interactive with NearHub.